Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to change your name on Vimeo in 2025. Whether you're updating for a new brand, fixing a typo, or just refreshing your profile, this quick guide will get you sorted in under a minute. Vimeo is all about sharing your creative videos, and keeping your account details fresh helps you stand out. So, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Vimeo account. Head over to vimeo.com, enter your email and password, and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. It's free and easy. Once you're in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It usually looks like a circle with your initials or a photo. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings or Account Settings to access your profile options. In the Settings page, navigate to the Profile or Personal Information section. This is where you'll find editable fields for your details. Scroll down until you see the Name field. It might be labeled as Full Name or Display Name. Click on the Name field to edit it. Type in your new name carefully, double-checking for spelling or capitalization errors. Once you're happy with it, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it. Vimeo may prompt you to confirm the changes or re-enter your password for security. After saving, give it a moment for the updates to take effect. You might need to refresh the page or log out and log back in to see your new name across the platform. And just like that, you're done. Remember, tech platforms like Vimeo can update their interfaces, so if things look a bit different, check their help center for the latest info. This simple tweak can make your profile look more professional. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.